In the heart of New Haven, where time slips away faster than anywhere else, a young entrepreneur finds himself caught in the relentless pursuit of financial success. Curiosity leads Ethan to stumble upon a mysterious old bookstore tucked away in a hidden alley during a business conference. Intrigue fills his eyes as he enters, drawn by the aura of the place. Amongst the rows of dusty books, Ethan's eyes are captured by the sight of a captivating hourglass. Its ancientness pulls him closer, entwining its fate with his own. As Ethan touches the hourglass, the world around him fades away, replaced by a realm brimming with enchantment. Here he encounters Miranda, a scholar devoted to intellectual pursuits. In a flurry of wisdom and debate, Ethan and Miranda challenge each other about their time management, their contrasting goals clashing amidst a sea of knowledge. Lucius, a figure who appears to possess the wisdom of ages, quietly observes as Ethan and Miranda engage in their spirited conversation. Lucius presents Ethan and Miranda with a challenge, guiding them towards portals that hold insights into various versions of time. Their journey is about to begin. As Ethan and Miranda traverse different realms, they witness the triumphs and struggles of individuals who have embraced their own versions of time management, questioning their previous notions of success. Returning to the old bookstore, Ethan and Miranda are filled with a profound realization. Their encounter with Lucius has forever altered their perception of life and the value they place upon it. With newfound wisdom, Ethan and Miranda bid farewell to the enigmatic Lucius, leaving the old bookstore with a zeal for living a balanced and meaningful life, cherishing time as an opportunity for growth and connection.